Hey everyone! In this quick video, I'll show you how to use two WhatsApp accounts on the same PC or laptop easily. Whether you want to manage personal and work accounts separately, this trick will help you do it without any hassle. Let's get started. As you can see, I already have one WhatsApp web open in this Chrome window. Now, open another browser. It can be Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser you like. In the new browser, search for Web WhatsApp. Click on the first link that appears. Then click on Login. Use your phone to scan the QR code displayed on the screen. Now, as you can see, WhatsApp Web is open in this second browser as well. So I'm using two WhatsApp accounts on one PC at the same time. And that's how you can easily use two WhatsApp accounts on the same PC or laptop. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.